The bird flu had hit western Ohio poultry operations hard so far this year. According to data from the Ohio Department of Agriculture, more than 6 million chickens and turkeys have been affected at farms in Mercer and Darke counties. Ohio leads the nation in the number of cases of bird flu at commercial operations. More than 4 million birds were killed to prevent the spread of the virus, and the status of nearly 2 million is ongoing, according to the state ag department. Ohio is the second largest egg-producing state behind Iowa. There are 22 poultry operations in Mercer and Darke counties that have been impacted by the bird flu this year. This is in addition to the nearly 1 million chickens that were put down at the end of last year at a Darke County farm.